Leo AI is basically building the world's first AI for mechanical engineering. And our mission is to allow engineers to do what they love most and do best, which is building great products. And in the meantime, to offload all the tedious work out of it. You know, finding answers to technical questions online and on hard copy books, and the fact that the information is siloed in the minds and the brains of the older engineers, right? We want to, break all the silos, put all the information in one place and make it accessible for them to make better decisions faster. There are three things, right? Context, accuracy, and security. Okay? Context. ChatGPT, was trained to make chefs happy, engineers happy, and ballet dancers to be happy. Just to make them satisfied with the results, right? But it's not connected into your data. It doesn't know what you exactly want. What is the information that is in your mind, in your computer, right? It just provides you based on general knowledge, which could be a blog post written by a 16-year-old or something from the most accurate book. So at Leo, we provide you the context, which is so important for engineers. We're connected into your data sources, into your PDM, your directories where your PDF files and CAD files are located. And we give you answers based on this, based on your sources. This is the context. The second thing is accuracy. Because ChatGPT is very generalistic, it was not, focused on one profession. For us engineers, it's accurate only on 46% of the time. All the rest is just lying very nicely, right? So we trained Leo to be accurate more than 96% of the time. So this is the accuracy, and for us engineers, accuracy is everything. If we're not accurate, the bridge is going to collapse, right? Yeah. And the last thing is security. While ChatGPT and others are, telling you that we are using your data to make our AI better, in Leo AI, it's the opposite. We respect your data. We know that your IP is your everything, the most precious thing. So your data is 100% protected when you're using Leo AI. Specifically in the Netherlands, I want to allow them to keep doing wonderful engineering, to be a role model on the international market on how to do wonderful engineering. And in order to do this, we need their brains invested on building the products, not finding documents, finding parts, redesigning stuff that already exists in their PDM, in their sources, just focusing on building the best products possible. This is what I want to bring to the Netherlands market.